A very important update for all the VIT EEE 2026 aspirants regarding your slot booking process. So many of you were asking that what will be the exact date for the slot booking exam. So here we have received a mail from the VIT EEE administration, in which it is clearly mentioned the portal will be made available tentatively between 17th April Friday and the 19th April Sunday. So we can expect that from 17th April, our slot booking process will start, because here tentatively word has been used. Now, please note that this process will be done on the first come first serve basis. So, जितना जल्दी आप जो है slot को यहाँ पे book करोगे, उतने ज़्यादा chances है कि you will get your desired slot. Now, if you want me to bring a video related to your slot booking process where I would be explaining all the steps कि किस तरीके से आपको slot को जो है book करते जाना है, तो do mention in the comments, क्योंकि 2025 का similar interface जो है मैं आपको यहाँ पे show कर दूंगा, ताकि ये process को आप उतने ही जल्दी जो है finish कर पाओ. तो simply इसके लिए जो है we are taking a small target of 300 plus likes, and if the target is completed, I will try to bring the video as soon as possible, है ना. Also, candidates who have submitted the application complete in all respects will be able to access the online test booking system. So if you have not filled the form, आप जो है simply यहाँ पे slot को book नहीं कर पाएंगे. अच्छा, एक चीज स्टूडेंट्स को लग रहा है कि एग्जैक्ट किस टाइम पे जो है स्टार्ट होगा, तो इफ वी टेक द केस ऑफ द लास्ट ईयर भी जो है स्टूडेंट्स को सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ मेल जो है यहाँ पे रिसीव हुआ था, और उसमें ये चीज मेंशन थी दैट द स्लॉट बुकिंग प्रोसेस विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 10th अप्रैल आफ्टरनून ऑनवर्ड्स. तो तब जो है आफ्टरनून में स्टार्ट हुआ था, लेकिन इस बार जो है हो सकता है आपका शायद मॉर्निंग में भी स्टार्ट हो जाए. तो जैसा भी नोटिफिकेशन जो है आपका रिलीज होता है ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे, हम जो है सबसे पहले आपके लिए यहाँ पे नोटिफिकेशन ले आएंगे. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल एंड हैव प्रेस द bell icon so that no notification is missed from our side. And one more important thing, that we have launched two important and most relevant VIT EEE 2026 courses for you. One is the booster course and second is your crash course. So there are some differences between both the courses. Like in the booster course, only aptitude and English video lectures are there, whereas in the crash course you get aptitude and English video lectures as well as PCM video lectures, where complete syllabus has been covered, and you get special short trick session in both the courses. Then mode of teaching has been kept English in both the courses, so that there is no language barrier for any kind of aspirants. And also you get exclusive question bank for all the units in both the courses. Then another major difference in both the courses is that only 5 full length mock tests are available in the booster course, whereas you get 10 full length mock tests in the crash course. So crash course is a better deal for everyone, and it is available at a special price of 2499, but this special price discount is available only for limited time. So try to enroll in this course as soon as possible. You can simply apply VIT Valor coupon code, using which you will get the crash course at only 2499 price. And also there is a special discount coupon code for the booster course also, where you have to apply VIT booster coupon code, using which you will get the booster course at only 1499. So visit our website to enroll in your respective course, and still if you have any query related to the course, you can simply call us at this number. तो मेरे हिसाब से सारी चीजें आप सभी को क्लियर है. बाकी यहाँ पे अगर आप स्लॉट बुकिंग की प्रोसेस चाहते हैं तो डू मेंशन इन द कमेंट्स. बाकी मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय.